What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is the 1st of November 2019, and even though I've slacked off for the last couple months on this, it is time for the November monthly challenge. And because of the last monthly challenge is getting some complaints on the fact that there's no real objective way to judge the videos, and that a lot of it comes down to just personal preference and there's not really something for people to gun for, I've decided to make this month's challenge 100% completely objective. And that is going to be decided with a speed run. So as you guys may know, Flight 1 has always been about easy setup. From day one, we've always had wizards to help you go through all the steps from flashing the quad all the way up until your very first flight. It's all done through a nice, simple wizard, step-by-step instructions, so there is no way to mess it up, and you'll be able to get in the air as fast as possible. And with Falco X, those wizards have been expedited exponentially. It is so fast from when you plug your quad in to go through all the wizards to be able to get it flying right from the get-go. And so this has inspired me to do a speed run setup video. And this month's challenge is all about who can set up their quads the fastest. And so at the end of this month, the top 10 fastest setups are gonna get featured on the channel right here. And now in saying that, if you're flying Falco X, you have a bit of an advantage over the people flying Betaflight because it is a bit faster to set it up, just saying. So this is gonna be broken down into two different groups. The first 6 videos are gonna be the 6 fastest setup times on Falco X, and on Falco X, your timer is gonna start from when you first plug that battery in after you flashed it or reset the config, and the timer is going to end after you powered cycled, after going through all the wizards and made that first arm on the quad, assuring that it's ready to fly. Now you don't have to actually take off and fly the quad, because of course you should be doing this with props off if you're doing it on Falco X and on Betaflight. So once you've gone through the wizards, you power cycled it, hit that double arm, and the second those motors start spooling, your clock ends. And for a Betaflight, it is almost exactly the same, except your timer is gonna start from when you first plug it in the USB into the computer, and your timer is going to stop once you've gone through all the setup, unplugged it, and gave your first arm. Now I wanna say the setup does not count if you copy and paste and do a dump onto your setup through the configurator in both Betaflight or Falco X, because come on, that's just cheating. But I'd also like to say, like any good speed run, the best way to win and get the fastest time is to exploit some bugs or some other non-standard ways to set your quad up. Now I'm not gonna divulge in this video exactly on those means of getting around certain things or expediting certain processes could be. That is for you guys to figure out and see who can get the fastest time. So without further ado, this guy has been freshly flashed and ready to set up right on plug-in. So let's go ahead, let's see how fast I can get it done. Look at that. That was like 27, 28 seconds from the rough timing I just did here out in the field. Ooh, that was so fast. Like literally, guys, less than 30 seconds to get in the air with Falco X. It is insane how quick you can blow through those wizards, especially for someone like me who's probably done them about 100 times now. Now, I just did about 27, 28 seconds. I really honestly think someone will be able to hit the 25-second mark with the Falco X speedrunning through the wizards. With Betaflight, I have no idea what you guys are going to be doing, but seriously, 30 seconds from the time you plug in until the time you can actually fly, start filming and taking footage is ridiculous. And honestly, I'm super happy with that time. I'm sure I'm about to get smoked by all you guys out there who have a month to do this. So you guys have a full month to start getting your speedrun techniques down, figure out all those little hacks and ways to get through the wizards faster. And like I said before, no cheating. Doing a CLI dump onto your quad, cut and paste will not count. And also in saying that, I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you guys the rules for uploading this and how I'm gonna be tracking all of your times. As you guys know, there is an awesome platform for your drone videos that is called AirVuz. It is a specifically drone-only video, YouTube-style website. You can put your drone videos up. Awesome group of people, awesome job that they're doing over there. To apply, your official submission for the Wild Willy Speedrun Challenge has to be uploaded to AirVuz, and your video submission has to be linked in the comment section for this video on AirVuz. Now the AirVuz link for this video is in the description below. If you're watching this in AirVuz, you were already there. Put a link to your AirVuz upload of the November Speedrun Challenge in the comment section below. And on November 31st, I will be closing off the deadlines. The leaderboards will be shut down and I will start tallying up to see who has the best times. And also, along with your link description, post if you're doing it in Falco X or in Betaflight, and also post your time that you got with it. And then on November 31st,
October.
the leaderboards are shutting down. That is going to be the official end of the competition. And within a week after that, I'll be putting the top 10 videos, top 6 Falco X, and top 4 Betaflight speedruns up on the YouTube channel. And since it is obviously getting a little too dark to fly here, and the fact that I have a ton of backlog footage from my month in the US, but before we head to that, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a nasty comment down below. Hit that like button if you have not done so yet. If you are new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell to see these videos as soon as they get posted up. Trust me, you're gonna want to see them. Make sure to hit that Patreon link in the description if you want to help me make these videos more often for you guys. And now let's go ahead and end with a little bit of flying. Boom!
I'm a sinner, but you're no saint. There's no winner but twisted complaints. So now you got someone else's shoulder to remind you that our love is over. I'm going crazy, I need some saving. These echoes got me falling on the ground. I'm going crazy, I miss you, baby. These echoes got me falling on the ground. Who is perfect? 'Cause you're not. Slamming doors and screaming.